Here on the island of Vieques, Puerto Rico, lies a story woven into the very fabric of its architecture, a tale of history, culture, and identity. Here, every post and beam tells a story, echoing the evolution of a diverse community. These structures stand as tangible links to the past, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who shaped our island. But architecture is more than a window to our history. It's a cornerstone of our heritage, preserving the traditions and values that define this jewel of an island in the Caribbean. These historic buildings and landmarks symbolize the pride, the identity, and our commitment to the future. Yet the race against time and neglect has claimed many of our architectural treasures. But there is hope. At Paraiso Realty, we're dedicated to reversing this trend by finding those who share our vision. We have breathed new life into forgotten gems. Through the meticulous efforts of visionaries like Ernesto Peña, we've seen the transformation of landmarks such as the Vibe boutique store, a testament to our dedication. And today, we're thrilled to announce a new chapter. We found a passionate buyer for the Acevedo House on Calle du Tiel, who's ready and willing to restore this home to its former glory and preserve a piece of Vieques' soul. Architecture is the heartbeat of Vieques' heritage. At Paraiso Realty, we honor the guardians of history, the champions of culture, and the builders of community. Paraiso Realty believes every home tells a story, and we need your help in preserving that heritage on Vieques. Please, join us in shaping the future by honoring the past.